Hi, this is Anna Lane Kennedy. I'm in an Instructional Technology course, EDT 601, and I've chosen Glogster as my technology tool. We will answer what is a Glogster, how does Glogster work, and why does Glogster matter in teaching and learning. So what is Glogster? Glogster is a web tool used to create blogs. According to Wikipedia, a blog can be defined as a graphics blog or graphical blog, an online rich media poster, or a digital poster collage of different types of media. What's in a blog? There are four main components of a blog: the text, images, music, and video. You do not have to use all four, but you can if you would like. This here is an example of a blog. The topic of the blog is chocolate. And as you can see, there's some images of chocolate. Chocolate bar, white chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate. There are fun facts about chocolate. Here. And here's an image of the name of the school that has the classroom that created the blog. Here's two videos of the students sharing their knowledge of chocolate. Now there is a branch of Glogster specifically for educators. It's eduglogster.com, and eduglogster.com describes itself as a collaborative online learning platform for teachers and students to express their creativity, knowledge, ideas, and skills in the classroom. So how does Glogster work? You must sign up for an account first. There are four packages, and the first package is free. It is limited, and then there are three other larger packages, but they cost money. After signing up for an account, choosing an account, you can create a profile and then create a blog by inserting and designing media. You can save it or publish it and then share it with others if you would like. They have a privacy/public setting, so you can choose whether you want it to be public or private. Let's go to Glogster.com. Here's the main page. It's very colorful. I would not show your students Glogster.com because there is very likely inappropriate content at the bottom because it shows personal blogs. But I did want to show you the main page so that you know where to go for teachers. This little green triangle. Now you sign up by pressing this button. It does not take long to sign up for an account. I signed up for the single free license. You click that and enter your name, information. And if you wanted to buy it for a class of yours, then you could pay $30 and plus. But let me show you my account. I'm going to click login, have it saved to my computer. And then I'll show you how to create a blog. Here I could edit my profile, can view my profile, account settings, but right now we want to create a new blog. Okay, this blog already has a background. Let's add a couple of things. Let's add a graphic. This is the magnet toolbar, and it shows some graphics. Let's add some hearts. Click use it. So added it to my blog. Now let's add an image. I've already saved it, but I uploaded it and it saved it already. Picture of a rainbow. Okay, I'm not going to add a video or sound clips, but you would upload those as you would the photos. And these three options, data, draw, and wall, those come with the other packages. So I'm changing the size of my photo. I'm going to place the rainbow right here. Place the hearts right here, make them a little larger. Then I'm going to remove this text, edit, and add my name. There's Kennedy. And I can change colors and sizes if I wanted. So there's a very simple blog. Once you're finished, you will click Save or Publish. Name the blog. You could put it in a category, add some tags, and then click Save. My blog has been published. There's the link, and we can go back to the dashboard. So that's how you create a blog. I'll log out of my account. So it's not very hard to make a blog. Now you must have an account, as I said before. The free account is limited, but you can still do the basics with it. You must have computers, so this will be great in the computer lab. You must have high-speed internet, but you need to make sure that your school does not have a filter, because it may not allow Glogster to come up. Now, the advantages of Glogster. Blogs are interactive posters, so the students are engaged as they're creating their blogs. It can be a collaborative class project. The students can view each other's blogs. It is a private and safe student environment on the Glogster.com website. It is fun, it's creative, and it does meet some of the national educational standards. Blogs are great visual representations of ideas, and it can be followed on Facebook and Twitter if you want to take that on as an educator. You could share it with parents, families, and friends. And of course, it increases student engagement. Glogster.com names some of those advantages. Glogster.com, it is affiliated with Discovery Education, Wikispaces, Edmodo, TeacherTube, ISTE, and School2. So it is a good tool to use. The disadvantages of Glogster: the students may make a blog on edu.glogster.com, but it may open up their interest to the personal blogs on Glogster.com, and Glogster.com does contain inappropriate content, so the parents might want to be warned of that before the students use Glogster outside of classroom. Glogster can lend itself to lower level thinking if not planned well. It can be used for higher level thinking skills, but it must be planned well. Students must have previous knowledge of uploading photos, videos, and audio clips, and if they do not have that previous knowledge, it will greatly slow down the blog creating process. You must have high-speed internet, you must sign up for an account, and it could be blocked by the school filter, so you'll want to check that. And as I said, there is a limited subscription, or you have to pay an annual fee. So what does Glogster have to do with teaching and learning in the classroom? Well, I personally believe it's best for upper elementary to high school ages. I believe it's best for individual or partner work in the computer lab specifically. Group work would be hard because it's such a personalized tool. So I would say individual or partner work would be good. A teacher can use blogs to introduce a lesson, or use it as a visual for a concept, or even plan a unit. And we will view a frog blog in a moment. Students can demonstrate their understanding of various things. They can synthesize or summarize information. I thought of some specific examples of blogs. In social studies, you could ask the students to summarize a time period such as the Great Depression or the 30s or 40s, a specific decade, or create a blog about a specific person. Make it a biographical blog, including photos, maybe some important video clips of speeches, such as John F. Kennedy or Martin Luther King's speeches. In English, you could ask students to create blogs of specific figures of speeches, such as nouns, verbs, or specific pieces of literature, such as the story, The Emperor's New Clothes. They could summarize the story. They could create sequence of events. So there's many different ways you can use blogs. In math, specific operations, showing steps in mathematical problems. And in science, they could show the kingdoms, or even dissecting a frog. And so I want to show you this blog. It's really neat. It's about frog dissection. Give it a minute to load. This blog has lots of features on it. There is a virtual frog kit. You can actually cut open the frog with tools there. There's a slideshow with information about the frogs. Here is an actual video of someone dissecting a frog. A dissection quiz. There's some teacher resources. And another video. Here's a diagram and a music clip. It's a cute little fun clip. And another quiz. So I could click on these. I'll click on the virtual frog kit link. I believe for this link you have to have Flash Player. Perhaps it will load. It's not. Make sure you click the right place. This is the virtual frog dissection kit. You can uncheck the boxes to see the specific parts of the frog, or click the boxes to see the frog parts. So here's an example of a wonderful blog, a unit on frogs. I used wikipedia.org, eduglogster.com, and a specific blog about frog dissection. So Glogster.com is a wonderful technology tool in the classroom.